to do the bell hanger joint, you take your two wires and put it on each other, not too close to the end. Then you twist one side of it down to make it hang, and then the other side too, and then you just continue to twist it onto the end. Then you use your plier to dress. Dressing, you have your drink.
Okay, that's good. That's good one. Wow, I love this. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. Thank